Hey y'all, welcome to Black Mamas Do Science. This is a YouTube channel with me and my son Dax where we will be doing all the science experiments that you can think of. And so this week we have a super cool, fun experiment from our friends at C-STEM, and we will be making super absorbent polymers. So if you're ready to find out how to do it, stick around. Hey mamas, we are so lucky that our friends at C-STEM gave us all the directions and all the ingredients needed for this experiment, and all of it's listed right here for us. And so that first thing that you will need that they provided for us are polymer crystals. And so they gave those to us. I will link below where you can buy some. I saw some on Amazon, and so you can buy some of those. You will also need gloves if you don't want to make a mess. I had an apron on this time. I definitely need it because I had a little spillage happen. And then you will need food coloring. You can use whatever color you want. They provided us with blue, and so just pick whatever color that your kid would like for this. And then you also need some water. They didn't provide that, but I have water, luckily. So those are all the ingredients you'll need, and now we'll get ready to show you what to do. All right, moms, now that you have all your ingredients, go ahead and sit down with your kids. This is what you will need to do. So they provided us with plastic bags. I didn't mention that before. So if you have plastic bags, Ziploc bags, go ahead and pull those out. So they gave us the crystals in a smaller Ziploc bag, but you'll need a bigger one. And what you will do is you will measure out about 2 inches from the bottom. So just have your kids use a ruler, measure it out, and mark it on the bag. And then what you will do is you will pour water up until that line on your bag. And then after you do that, you will drop about 3 to 6 drops of food coloring. So I tried to get Dax to do this. He was more interested in stirring the water. So, you win some, you lose some. Anyways, throw your food coloring in your bag filled with water. And then once you do that, you will drop your crystals into the bag, and then you just wait. I know. At first I was a little worried. I was like, nothing's happening. But after a little while, you will notice that your bag will start to look not like water, but like little gel. It'll be like jelly, if you can see how this is. So that was super cool. Leave it long enough and it'll completely absorb all of the water that you put inside of your bag. So I will explain how all that happens right after this. Hey mamas, if this is your first time visiting Black Mamas Do Science, we are so excited that you're here, and we hope you like this experiment. If you do, make sure that you like and subscribe, and go ahead and check out another experiment. We have tons that you can check out with your kids and keep them busy for the summer. Okay mamas, you made it to the science behind our super absorbent polymers. So what happens is our polymers were crystals before, and so they were hard when you touched them before you added them to water. But when you add water to them, they act like a sponge, and these polymers can hold sometimes 3 times their weight, so they can absorb a lot of water, which is why I basically soaked up all of the water inside of the bag. They're like little mini sponges. And another trick that you could probably do to surprise some people is have 2 cups and fill your 1 cup with some of your polymers, and then another without, and then pour water in it and dump them over and see if anybody sees like what happened, what happened to that water. So that's another aspect that you can add to it. Sometimes these polymers might be used in diapers too. If you'll notice that they will, hold a lot of the liquid inside of your baby's diaper, so there's not spillage everywhere. So that is the science behind our super absorbent polymers. We hope you enjoyed the science experiment. We loved it, and we will see you next time. Bye y'all.